It's your fishing boy back with another absolute banger. This is a challenge video. As you can see, I have no rods in my hand, only a reel. This is the American Lew's Hero right here. American Hero by Lew's. I just got a curly tail or a ribbon tail, Texas rig ribbon tail, and I got no rod. And that's because this challenge is going to be to try to catch a fish without using a rod. Yeah, let's get right to it. I've never done this before, so let's see what happens with the cast. Cast distance sucks, but what do you expect when you have no rod? So I might have to actually throw it. I'll loosen up these settings. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to do this real quick. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pick it up. Oh wow, okay. That weight is wedged in there. I'm gonna go home and try to fix that one. That's gonna be an interesting one. Huh, I gotta fix that. Found out why I was doing it. I didn't put it through there, so that's what I have to do. That's why I wasn't casting far, and that's why this weight got stuck. So I'm just gonna cut this off real quick and redo that. Down here. Alright, I think something messed up with this reel. It's just so tight, so I'm wondering if that tungsten that got in there really messed it up. Oh yeah, that's getting some crazy range right there. Oh yeah, that's like 10 feet right there. I just got full range. And there's one spot on this, there's actually a couple where I know there are bass. And if there are there, it's gonna be insane because they're big. And I don't know what to do if I catch one. But we will figure that out once we catch one. Harder than it looks, guys. Coming up to the spot. Big old snapping turtle right there. That thing's pretty huge. Man, that thing just sank to the bottom. I think that might have been a soft shell, just because of its nose. Alright, let's go to the second spot and know it has fish. Alright, I see a baby one right here. Let's get the skunk off. Oh my god, he likes it. He likes it. He likes it a lot. So weird. I just got totally bit by a bass. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh my gosh. He might be a little too small for this bait. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he likes it. He's liking this bait. He's liking this bait a lot. Where is this kid? Where is he? Where is he? Oh my god, he's nipping at it. Just made it release. Thought I was recording, that's okay. That sucks. I guess I wasn't recording for that release. Huh. That's why I need that bracelet thing to know when I'm recording or not. Okay, now we keep on moving. Seeing if we can't see any more fish. that want a little curly tail worm. That hurt my hand too. Fish. I really do see a decent fish right now. You might want this bait. Oh my god, he missed it. He freaking missed it. I can't get too close. I really can't get too close here. Where is he? Oh, I can't see him anymore. Oh, I see him. Oh my god, he's straight down. He is straight down, boys. Oh my god, he's got it. Oh my god, I got him. Oh my god. What the heck? Are you freaking kidding me, boys? It's not a bad fish. Oh, he popped off. Oh my gosh. Are you freaking kidding me? Baby, look at that fish. Oh my god. That scared the crap out of me. Alright guys, it's the end of the video here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Really hard challenge. Harder than I thought it would be because that line rubs against your thumb when you reel it in and that just burns you. So yeah, I got a couple cuts from that. But awesome video. If you guys are willing to do a challenge, that's the challenge you guys should do. And if you guys want me to do any challenge, put it in the comments below and I will do it. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.